Good morning. Welcome to Spellbinders. I am Kim Kesty here in the creative classroom at Spellbinders. Very excited to be coming to you to really talk about a super fun and really technique-based class that we're offering right now in conjunction with the AIR Group, some of our favorite retailers out there, independent retailers group. We are super excited because we've got a brand new collection coming out, and it is by a designer called Suzanne Hughes. Super amazing lady. She's come up with this great collection of dies. We've picked one of our favorites and kind of wrapped a class around it. So I think it's going to be really fun. Let's take a look at one of the, let's take a look at the slide that shows the cards. Let's show that first, and I'll tell you a little bit more details about the class. We're going to make 3 beautiful, gorgeous projects using just one die set, so super versatile. It's going to be a virtual card class. It's going to be held in September. We're doing it a little bit different time. We're doing it at 4 p.m. Pacific, which kind of goes into the evening hours for all of our friends all across the states. We have found that people really kind of like that evening class, and it's fun for us too. So we're going to, again, be offering this class in September. But what does that mean for you? That means we need to get on board and get some of our card class kits. So how do you do that? You're going to go to your favorite independent retailer, like I just mentioned, and sign up with them. They're going to provide all the details about when to pick up your kits. Here at Spellbinders, we're going to make sure they get over there to your favorite retailers, and you're going to be able to pick them up. So I bet you want to see some of these projects in real life. Should we just take a look at some of them? First of all, I have the die right here. Let's take a peek at that. Again, this is just one of the dies in Suzanne's collection. She has a really cool concept. She has like 4 or 5 dies that all go together, and trust me, I'll show you a little sneak peek of that in a minute. But this is one of the very favorite ones. It's called the Garden Wreath. And just with this die only, we're going to create all of our beautiful projects. Of course, there's a kit involved, which I'll show you in a minute. But let's take a look at a couple of the projects first in real life, because I think they're so much prettier when you see them. So this is one of the beautiful ones. And you can see that it uses, some of these stems from the original die set here. And see that fun little glimmer sentiment? We're actually glimmering those for you right now. And we're going to send you these sentiments pre-glimmered. So even if you don't have a glimmer machine, you're still going to get on board. But isn't that a darling little sentiment? So again, that's going to be part of the kit. And we're going to do some fun inking and some layering. And of course, the beautiful little sequins there. So there's one card. The second card is really fun too. It's a shaped card. So we've got these die cut circles, which we are going to provide for you also. But you can see when you open it that it's got, I've got a little piece of tape here when I took my photo. But you can see it's got that kind of fun action where you open it and then it becomes this cute little round card. But here you're really seeing the wreath come to life, right? The whole garden wreath. So again, some pretty inking and some layering. Gorgeous, gorgeous. And maybe my favorite card of all the bunch is this cutie. And this didn't show so much in the picture, but check it out. It's a great interactive card. So you've got your wreath right here, and you've got this circle that's going to pop up, and check it out. You're going to come in, and you're going to bring this little guy up, and look at that. It's a great easel card. So pretty, and hopefully the video is picking up some of this pretty embossing that we've got back here, another technique that I'm going to share with you. But again, such a sweet card. And you're going to get a bunch of sentiments, even more than these right here. So of course, as we go through the card class, you're going to be able to mix and match and have so much fun with that. So let's take a look at the actual bundle that you're going to look at. Let's pull up that slide that's got the card class kit. Perfect. So check it out. Again, you're seeing those 3 cards, and right below at the bottom of this photo here, you're going to see all the kit contents. So you're going to see the die set, all the fun little parts and pieces that of course you're going to work together to create these beautiful cards, the glimmered sentiments, just all the fun things. And probably more importantly there too, you're going to see the price. So the whole bundle is $35 US. A little bit more in Canada. I feel bad for our Canadians now. The exchange rate's not the best, but still a great value. You're going to get all the parts and pieces. And also what's not shown here is the full color instructions. Here at Spellbinders, we believe that that's always important. So you're going to get beautiful colored instructions, of course, included in the kit also. So super much want to join you for that. And because I think it's super exciting, let's show the one more slide with the add-on bundle. Because we know you're going to look at all these beautiful projects, and Suzanne has developed these additional dies that all work together, and you can kind of see it coming to life in this photo here. We've got some seasonal ones, some birthday ones, another garden branch there at the bottom that creates even a fuller, fluffier wreath. So it's not all seasonal, but you've got a great mix of seasonal, non-seasonal. But I'm telling you, if you add these 4 die sets to your original class kit, you're going to be able to create so many cards. It's going to blow your mind. And in fact, if we kind of come back to our slide up here, or come back to me, sorry, I am going to tell you that there also is going to be a bonus class. So Susanna's going to come in with this die set along with, here's one of the other ones, that's the other wreath builder, plus using those other add-ons we just saw. And Suzanne herself is going to have a fun little bonus class for you. So that's going to be just an extra special fun thing that she wanted to do to share with you. That'll be broadcast at a later date. But again, what I need you to do now is, hopefully you're excited about the Garden Wreath card class. I'm super excited to teach it with you again, September 22nd. But we have a limited time to get these kits out to you. So I need you to go check out your favorite independent retailer in the Air Group, any one of your stores, whether it's virtual, whether it's, online, I shouldn't say virtual, whether it's an online retailer, your favorite brick and mortar, whoever your favorite store is out there, go see them, say, I want in with the Garden Wreath card class. They'll get you hooked up with a kit. We'll ship them out to your store, and they'll arrange for you to pick that up. And we'll all meet back here together September 22nd for a live class. We'll have commenting. You can ask questions. We'll go back and forth. I promise to teach you all the fun tips and tricks and techniques. We always have a good time in the classes, that's for sure. So with that, I think I will wrap it up. Again, drive you out to your stores, check out the class kits, check out the add-on bundle, because you can order that at the same time too. And they'll have all the details for all those pricing in case we went a little bit too fast here today. But again, check them out, and I will see you September 22nd. In the meantime, you all have a great weekend.